Hello everybody, welcome to my theory channel, and today is video 2 of time signatures. Go look for video 1. So in video 1 we went right back to what a time signature is, and we ended up with defining the time signature as simple or compound, or simple duple, simple triple, simple quadruple, or compound duple, compound triple, compound quadruple. So that's where it ended up. And I'm going to take you a little way back and revise on that. But the main emphasis of this video is to show you what the most common time signatures are when we're dealing with, which is the heading of this video, compound to simple time signature equivalent conversions, or the other way around, simple to compound or compound to simple time signature conversions. Okay, so let's go back one step. How do we know if a time signature is simple? The top number is 2, 3, or 4. That is a simple time signature. Done and dusted, you don't have to question it. It's a simple time signature. How do we know if it's a compound time signature? It's got 6, 9, or 12 on the top of the time signature. So 6, 9, or 12, that makes it compound. Right, so that's the first step. The next step is to decide what how many beats are in the bar. What is the feel of each time signature? Okay, and you can have a duple, triple, or quadruple time signature. So over here we have a simple duple. Why? Because there are 2 main beats. So this is duple. Over here there are 3 main beats. It's triple. And over here, this is quadruple, because there are 4 main beats. And by that I mean, by beats, I mean it's the part of the music you are feeling. You're feeling 1, 2, ba, 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 1, 2, 1, 2. In triple, you're feeling 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And in compound, you're feeling 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but similarly, in the equivalent time signature, compound duple, you're also feeling 2 beats. If I have to count that and play it, 1, 2, ba, ba, and count this, 1, 2, ba, ba, they sound exactly the same. That is why they are time signature equivalents. The equivalents, they sound the same. But there's one major difference. The first major difference is the beat in simple time is not dotted, and the beat in compound time is dotted. Right, so this simple beat lends itself to be dividing nicely in half. It's almost like dividing it in half belongs there. That's its home. And this beat over here divides nicely into 3 parts. It's almost like the beat being divided into 3 parts belongs in this home over here. And that's the main difference. When you're doing a simple time signature, you are thinking subdivisions 1, 2, 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and. But in a compound equivalent, you're thinking 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. So subliminally, underneath that beat, you've got a 3 feel going on, and over here you've got a direct subdivision of each beat, and it divides the beat nicely in half. Okay, so that is the main difference. But theoretically, this is the equivalent. There's the simple duple, and here is the compound duple beat, which function in the same way. You feel them the same. So in this time signature, 1, 2. In this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2. Your body, your rhythm, the way you feel it as a musician, the way you play it actually feels the same. Over here, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And here, 1, 2, 3, 1. Sorry, I'm doing it a bit fast. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But subliminally, under the beat, you've got in compound. So you can see how subliminally underneath that beat that you feel, the subdivisions are different, and that is the main difference. Okay, so just to recap on this video, and there will be another video to follow, you have to be able to define the time signature. So important. That's the first one. So on the top, simple, 2, 3, 4, compound 6, 9, 12. Then you have to be able to define it as duple, triple, or quadruple. And then see in your mind the most common ones. 2-4 becomes 6-8. 3-4 becomes 9-8. And 4-4 becomes 12-8. And in another video, I'm going to show you how to transverse the rhythms from one time signature to the other, which gets a little bit more complicated. But for now, you have to be able to see and understand why these are time signature equivalents. 2 beats, 2 beats, but divides nicely in half. Each beat divides nicely in 3, and so on. Thank you very much.